What is going on, crypto family? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Roaring Kitty. Got some exciting news for you. It seems like Roaring Kitty just got a news article feature, its very first one, and all of this happened organically. This is one thing that I love about Roaring Kitty is the stuff that's happening in the background with the community building. It's all happening organically when people are coming together. Now you just got a new article written about us in connection with Keith Gill. So before I dive too deeply into this video, do me a huge favor by hitting the like button, hitting that subscribe button, and I definitely love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Roaring Kitty. So taking a quick look at Roaring Kitty, currently up 7.33% in the last 24 hours. The market cap, again, is stupidly low. It's currently at a $2 million market cap. And the way that you guys have to realize when it comes to market cap, especially if you're trying to do risk reward, because many people would try to slap $10,000 into an asset that's currently at, let's say $1 billion market cap, and in hopes of that asset going from 1 billion market cap to $10 billion market cap, which would be a 10x. It is stupidly hard for an asset to go from 1 billion to 10 billion due to the sheer amount of capital that's going to be needed to be able to make that asset go that high. I'm talking about billions and billions of dollars on a consistent basis to be able to make it 10x. So that's what you guys got to realize when it comes to market cap. Now you have a asset like Roaring Kitty, which is currently at a $2 million market cap. So in order for it to do a 10x on it, it just needs to go to a $20 million market cap. So the capital amount that's needed is just a few millions versus trying to get a few $1 billion, getting a lot of people rushing into that asset to be able to do it. So in my opinion, if you're looking to try to 10x your return, Roaring Kitty is the easiest way just to be able to do it. Due to the fact that the market cap is so low. Now, the potential upside of it is, 10x, you're just doing yourself a disservice. I always tell people this, look, I'm not looking for 100%. I'm not looking to just try to, buy an asset at $1 and then try to flip it at $2 because you could make that type of return in the stock market. That's not, the reason why I left the stock market because due to the fact that in crypto, you're able to exponentially grow your money in a faster rate without having to risk the house, risk the bank. Because if you're doing it properly, you could put a few $100s into an asset to be able to receive a 10, 100x. So I'm not looking for 100%. I'm looking for 100x, guys. And again, Roaring Kitty already did the 100x, and I think it still have potential to do another 100x. In these next few months, especially with Operation 60 that's currently underway, which is to be able to get listed on 60 exchanges. And we already have 2 exchanges with the NFT dropping legit what tomorrow? Yeah, minting starts on July 19th. So with this fund, the funds from the NFT, 100% of the proceeds is going to go towards listing and project maintenance, guys. So again, this could legit be done. Now, taking a quick look at the overall chart, we've been seeing a downward pressure, and it is due to one person in particular, and this was someone who got into the project before all of us did. Because when I first got into Roaring Kitty, I had already seen that they established a position. They got in one day before me, and what they've been doing, of course, I mean they had a huge amount of Roaring Kitty, and as soon as it started going up, they started dumping. Started going up, started dumping, and so far I think they cashed out about like $40,000. Let me give you guys their wallet here. So currently, right now, yep, this is them right here. So they started off. There it is right here. They had started off with 52 million tokens, guys, and currently, right now, since they've been dumping, they currently are down to like 6 million token, which is only $12,000. So they are legit almost gone. So now we should be able to start to see nice price action. Of course, as it start jumping a little bit, they may just start to sell some more. But this is giving big opportunities for people to be able to get in. One of the key things that I said as far as for Roaring Kitty And a lot of you guys are going to thank me later, especially for the ones that listen. 1 million Roaring Kitty token, guys. That's the amount that you need to be able to put yourself in a financial, in a, a really good financial position. And I'm talking about, this is a hold that you're going to hold going into the bull market, or if it reaches, the desired market cap, you could simply be able to cash out early. But 1 million Roaring Kitty token is what is needed to be able to see life-changing games. Again, I'm not looking to be able to just make some money, then have to come back for the next bull run. Of course, I must be in crypto long term, but I want to be by the next bull run to be able to be financially set where I wouldn't have to worry about another thing, but in the same time still be active within crypto. So this right here is the opportunity that is being presented before you. And I get it. A lot of people are not gonna, a lot of people are not gonna take heed to it, and this is the nature of crypto. You're not going to take heed, even to, like, when I first started talking about Roaring Kitty at a 20K market cap. A lot of people didn't listen. I gave you guys this at 20K market cap, and a lot of people waited till we started seeing this pump, and guess what they started doing? Buying the top. Gotta reverse your mindset. You don't want to buy on when something is pumping. You wait for the dips. If you've been on the sideline, haven't gotten in, these are the times to be able to get in, because now we're dipping, and you're able to mitigate, losses, because now you're getting in at a very good position. And look, just right on support resistance. Last resistance area was this, and guess where it bounced off of? So now we should be able to start to test all-time highs again, especially with these upcoming listings that's coming up pretty soon. Now, I've been rambling a little bit here, so let's just talk about the article that we were featured in. And again, this is all organic. They decided they wanted to write about us because of the connection with Roaring Kitty. Keith Gill says, GameStop and Roaring Kitty linked meme coins experienced notable price surge. GME, Kitty, and Roar lead with over 10% gains. So it says GameStop and Kitty themed meme coins have recently experienced a substantial price increase according to CoinMarketCap data. 3 Roaring Kitty expired meme coin. They got GME, Kitty, and Roar. That's us. Surged by over 10% in the past day. These tokens appear to have benefited from their affiliation with GameStop trader Keith Gill. And this is what I've been saying, guys. Just with the affiliation alone, it is going to be able to put us in the forefront. So imagine when Keith Gill really start to become active, because I've been seeing that we're seeing some call option, huge, dollar amount of call option getting bought up for next month as well as January. So I think he's going to be active pretty soon. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you exactly when he's going to be active. Only he would be the one to tell you when he's going to be active. But once that start happening and the news starts circulating, guess what we're going to see, guys? More articles being written about Roaring Kitty. And if that happened, more eyeballs, more users, more holders are going to come in, and it's going to cause the overall price to go up. So he says the price lacking an official connection to the original meme stock champion. On Wednesday, Game, Kitty, and Roar, that's us again, were up 10%, 12%, and 10% respectively. GME used the same ticker, blah, blah, blah. That's not us. Well, let me just still read it. GME used the same ticker as the video game retail GameStop, while Kitty is based on Gill's online name. Roaring Kitty, both tokens are Solana based, whereas Roar, which is us, is based on Ethereum, the second largest blockchain in cryptocurrency world. And it gives the background as far as like how Keith Gill came to be, the person that he is. And it pretty much just ends it off with the, it says Enroll was trading at 0.20198, up 10% in the previous 24 hours. But this is just the start. Again, when I first got into Roaring Kitty, like I mentioned, when I first got into Roaring Kitty, we didn't even have this. Like, a logo was not even on Etherscan. This just popped up last night. So we got now logo, all the official website information on it. Look, OG Roaring Kitty, that's currently now on it. The CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, X account, Telegram, even the white paper, All of that was just added organically. So people are starting to take notice of us. And with that happening too, guys, we're starting to see big amount of accumulation. Now, I gotta give a shout out to this whale right here, and also pricing is finally showing up on Etherscan as well too. So this is what I'm talking about when it comes to community growth. Like it is slowly but surely building, and people are not seeing just like the progress that we came from, especially from day one. And this is why I'm super excited about this crypto project, due to the fact of there's always constant positive forward momentum that's happening. So if you are still fading this, I promise you, you're gonna regret this for probably. I mean, unless if you find another one, then you're like, okay, yeah. But if you don't, you're gonna be like, yo, I had the prime opportunity to be able to get into this at 20K market cap. I faded. Now it's currently at a $2 million market cap. And once it get to a $200 million market cap, you're gonna look back and be like, yo, Random March was right. And I don't even say this lightly. I mean, I have the experience. It's the experience that's able to allow me to be able to see these projects develop before it actually developed, you know. And again, big shout out to this whale right here, because that's the thing with Roaring Kitty. There is no free token. There is no influencers that's getting paid to be able to talk about this. More influencers are going to come, and they're going to come because they bought them a bag, and now they're excited about the project and the growth. But take a look at this. Since 62 days, this person, or this, whoever this is, they just been getting Roaring Kitty 62 days, and currently right now, look, 50 million tokens, guys. 50 million tokens. So when I looked at it as far as like how much they invested into it, they invested, I had it pulled up right here. They invested about $49,000. Boy, that's not them. That's Top Trader. Oh, my bad. I guess they don't say like how much they did, but all in all, it's a lot. You know what I mean? It's a lot of money that they've been accumulating. Now, I don't know if this is exchange that's accumulating it. I don't know if it's a person. It looks like it might be a person, because they just, again, been buying, and they haven't even sold not one token, because I think at the end of the day, this person who's currently up 100, currently have $100,000 worth of Roaring Kitty. When it's all said and done, once we do another 10x, which would be a $20 million market cap, that $100,000 is going to be worth $1 million. Simple as that. If they hold. Now, if they continue to hold, once they get to a $200 million market cap, that's going to be $10 million. $10 million, guys, that they're going to be able to see in profits. And I believe that this thing could legit get to a $1 billion market cap. And if it gets to a $1 billion market cap, that's $100 million that this person would have made on this project. Now, more likely, they're going to cash out earlier than all of that. But if they do, this is a smart and wise investment. Not financial advice, of course, but again, the numbers don't lie. Community is growing. Community is active. We're seeing organic growth. We're seeing articles being written about us because of the connection with Keith Gill. And that's just one of our narratives that's currently happening right now with Roaring Kitty. But last thing I'm going to leave you guys with, GameStop currently right now is sitting at $28.10. So again, if Keith Gill start getting active about GameStop, best believe you're going to see Roaring Kitty start to pop off in the news, as well as us being popped up in the news, and the price surge is going to be crazy. Don't forget again about the NFT sales that's going live tomorrow. So if you are within the community, make sure you come out, do your part, buy an NFT, get into the NFT, so that way all the funds that we raise could go towards listing. And if we do have a significant amount of funds, we could probably see a few, probably like at least one listing for the end of the month. Then we could start attacking August with some more exchange lists, because we do have 20 exchanges, guys, about 20 exchanges that is interested in listing Roaring Kitty already. and they constantly DMing me, asking me what's the progress, you know, of the NFTs, because I told them like once we get the NFTs, we should be able to start moving forward. So they're ready to list us, so we should be able to see more and more listings, which is going to put us even further, or putting us in the forefront of a lot of different projects. But that is all that I have for you today. Leave a like, leave a comment. Random Arts guy signing off. Peace.